here's meteorologist Tom DeVecchio, your weather authority.
Another pretty day here as our Bayfront Benefit Solutions Incorporated weather cam shows. We're looking at the eastern skies in the pre-dawn hours here. We have a nice little red there in the eastern sky. Looking forward to another real nice looking sunrise and a nice looking day overall. So looks like things are going to be on the warm side once again. And for the kids, it's head on to school, counting down the days until the end of class. Some of you may already have your classes ended here, but if not, skies are going to be clear, mild. Another, basically cool night or cool morning for those of you in the inland sections here along the lakeshore. Temperatures will be in the 60s. Another day well into the 80s when the kids go home in the afternoon. So same thing that you've done all week. Make sure the kids are well hydrated and they have their sunscreen on. Temperatures right now, 63 in Erie, 61 in Lake City. Nice, comfortable air. The good thing about this warmth is that we just don't have a lot in the way of humidity here. Edinboro at 58, 52 in Corey, a cool 50 in French Creek, Becky with that temperature. And we have 58 for Ed and Westmead, 52 out towards Sagertown, Meadville 57, Conneaut Lake 56, and Linesville, Neenah at 55. Well, tropical storm season, or hurricane season, actually began yesterday. And Mother Nature wasting no time in giving us a tropical, looks like just a weak tropical system there in the Gulf, and that's actually going to drift south and kind of meander in the Gulf. It's something that we're going to watch through the weekend, but people in Florida are going to get hit pretty good with some very heavy rain, but that's about it with this one here. In the meantime, rainfall potential here locally. High pressure is going to stay in the Great Lakes region, and that's going to give us another warm one for today. Despite the northeast wind, temperatures may actually be a little warmer than yesterday. Precipitation, though, trying to come in here, but you can see it seems like it hits the high coming out of Buffalo and it just kind of washes out. So none expected for today. Buoy data off of Presque Isle, nearshore buoy reporting light winds and waves of less than a foot. Another tranquil one for the lake today. Waves will stay less than a foot. Water temperature up a degree to 53. So more sunshine, warm for today. Upper 80s inland, maybe a 90 spot, lower to mid 80s here in Erie. And then things start to cool off, but there's just not a lot of moisture here. Front goes through tomorrow, upper 70s. Here in Erie may drop into the mid-70s during the afternoon and may not get out of the 60s for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. How the weather changes. In the meantime, you can scan